Hello everyone, this is DevByte. Let's create your first Unity project and understand the interface in just 3 minutes. In your Unity hub, click on Projects button and then click on New Project button. Wait for Unity to load the templates. Now click on Core Templates and then select 3D built-in render pipeline. After that, select your Unity organization. Give your project a name. I'll go with our first game and choose path where you want to save this project. Now click on Create Project button. Unity will start creating new project. This is your workspace. It may look complex, but it's actually simple. Let's break down the Unity interface so you know exactly what each panel does. It's the scene view. It's an interactive panel for building, arranging, and editing game levels. You can also look around, fly through, and zoom in out using mouse buttons and WASD keys. Let's create our first 3D cube game object. Now you can see the cube is part of our game. And we can always find this cube by pressing F key after selecting from hierarchy. This is where you build your world. Before we jump into the game view, let's quickly align the camera with what we're seeing in the scene view. Select main camera from hierarchy and press Ctrl plus Shift plus F. And now what is game view? Game view renders the final game output from the camera's perspective. Game view shows what the player sees in the game. After aligning our camera, you can see the cube in our game view. The hierarchy window displays every game object within the current scene, serving as a structural blueprint for your project. As you can see, our project has 3 game objects in our scene: main, camera, directional light, and cube. They're all listed in hierarchy. Allows us to organize all the objects into parent and child relationships for easy sorting. The inspector is a context sensitive interface used to view and edit the components or properties and settings of selected game object. As you can see, the properties of our selected cube, it has transform component along with cube mesh, mesh renderer, and colliders. Similarly, our directional light has light component attached and main camera has camera component attached. And we can change the values of these components in Inspector. The project window is your primary file navigator. It displays all the files, assets that belong to your project. That's it for now. Follow DevByte for more beginner level short videos. In the next video, we'll start developing our mini game.